So you have a choice there using Amazon guardrails. So guardrails help keep your generative AI application safe by evaluating both the user inputs as well as the model responses. And the way that you do that is by configuring, one type of policy, that being the sensitive information filter. So when you configure this policy, you can set up specific types of information, like things like name, email, address, or you can set up a custom regular expression sensitive information filter, which will either block or redact or mask the specific PII information from either being sent to the LLM or from the LLM passing that information to an end user. So guardrails is available with all of the Bedrock models. Also available with I believe some of the other LLMs out there. Like I think Cohere is one of them. And Mistral, I think, is another example where they also support guardrails. There is additional pricing with using guardrails. So per 1,000 tokens, 10 cents, or it's actually not tokens, it's text units that the price is in. And for denied topics, it's $1. And for content filters, it's 75 cents. Um, However, using the regular expression sensitive information filters and word filters is free of charge.
On the LLM, sorry, you're saying on the Bedrock, what you can do, because you were talking about VPC and VPN, you can enable a private endpoint thing, so that all of the invocation of the model and the data you're going through, it's go through your own VPC rather than going through the public internet. That just adds additional security, maybe peace of mind for those that are have strict security controls. You can deploy a model into your own instance with a GPU. As long as there is a GPU and you can get a hand of it, you can. However, it does have the headache of having to manage the structure. So I will say try the private link with Bedrock so that your information goes through the private network.